Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word fixers. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The fixers were able to quickly repair the leaky pipes in the building. In this context, fixers refers to individuals who are skilled at repairing or resolving problems, such as maintenance workers or handy people. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.